Hi everyone, welcome back. Today let's have the revisions on banking. Look at the first question. Kiran deposited rupees 200 per month for 36 months in an RD. If the rate of interest is 11%, find the interest and the maturity value. First let's write all these data. It's given that the principal is rupees 200 time n is equal to 36 months. R is equal to 11 percentage. Find the interest as well as the maturity value. So we have the formula to find the interest. I is equal to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. After finding the interest, let's add this interest to the amount deposited in the bank for this particular period of time. Let's find this. P is 200 into 36 into 36 plus 1 is 37. N is 36. So 36 into 36 plus 1 is 37 by 2 into 12 into the rate of interest is 11 by 100. So when we simplify this, 100, these two zeros get cancelled. 12 3s are 36 and this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So we get this as 3 into 37 into 11 and that is equal to 111 into 11 and that is equal to 1221. So rupees 1221 is the interest he has earned for the period of time 36 months. Now let's find the maturity value. As you know, maturity value is equal to the amount deposited for 36 months. So P into N plus I. P is 200 into N is 36 plus the interest is 1221 and that is equal to 200 into 36 is 7200 plus 1221 and when you are adding this you get this value as 8,421 rupees. So this is the maturity value of this particular RD. Let's consider the next question. Here Raju deposits rupees 2,500 per month for 2 years in a bank and he gets rupees 66,250 at the time of maturity. Find the interest as well as the rate of interest. Let's write off all the data first. The principal P is equal to rupees 2,500 and the time is N is 2 years. That's equal to 2 into 12, 24 months. 24 months and the maturity value. By the time of maturity he gets rupees 66,250 rupees. Now we know that the formula to find the maturity value is equal to N into P plus I. So first let's find N into P, what's the amount deposited. So N into P is equal to amount deposited. Is equal to N is 24 into 2,500, that is P, and that is equal to 24 into 25 is 60,000 rupees is the amount deposited, and we know that maturity value is equal to N into P plus I. 66,250 is equal to 60,000 plus I. So when you bring 60,000 to this side, you will get this as 6,250 is equal to I. I is P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Here we have brought 60,000 this side, and the difference between 66,250 as well as 60,000 is 6,250. Let's substitute the values. We get this as 6,250 is equal to P is 2,500 into 24 into 25 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So when we cancel, 12 twos are 24 as well as this 24 get cancels. Hundreds, two zeros, and here. Now 25 into 25 is 625 R, and that is same as 6,250. So we got the rate of interest R is equal to 6,250 divided by 625, and that is equal to 10%. So you got the rate of interest as 10%, and we need to find the interest as well as the rate of interest. We got the rate of interest as 10%. Now I is equal to, we have seen the I is 625 R. When we have simplified the interest formula, we got that as 625 R. So it is 625 into 10, and that is equal to rupees 6,250, and that is the interest obtained that we have already found from this particular expression itself. I is equal to 66,250 minus 60,000, that is 6,250 itself. Look at the next question. Here, Asha has an RD in a bank for 12 months at 10% per annum rate of interest, and at the time of maturity she gets rupees 8,855. Find the monthly installment, or find P. First, let's write off all the data. Our maturity value is rupees 8,855. Rate of interest is equal to 10%, and the time N is equal to 12 months. We need to find P, that's a monthly installment. And by using the formula of maturity value, we can find maturity value is equal to N into P, the amount deposited, plus I, the interest earned for that. Let's write it. So 8,855 is equal to, that's a maturity value, N into P. N is 12 months into P is the monthly installment that we need to find, plus I is P into N into, N is 12 months into N plus 1, 13 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. R is 10 by 100. So this is equal to 8,855 is equal to 12P plus, let's simplify and write this. This is 12, 12 get cancels, and 0, 1, 0 here. 13P by 20. Take the LCM here. We get this as 8,855 is equal to 20 into 12 is 240P plus 13P divided by 20. Cross multiplying, we'll be getting this as 8,855 into 20 is equal to 253P. Let's divide 8,855 with 253. This will be 35. So we can write this as 35 into 20 is equal to P, and that is equal to 700 is equal to P. Therefore, our monthly installment is P is equal to rupees 700. Look at the next question. Saloni has an RD in a bank of rupees 2,000 per month with the rate of interest 10%. If she gets rupees 83,100 at the time of maturity, find the time for which the account was held. So let's write all the data. First, maturity value is equal to 83,100 rupees, 83,100, and the rate of interest is 10%. The principal is rupees 2,000. Now let's substitute the values in the maturity value formula. maturity value is equal to n into p plus I. I is p into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100. Let's substitute the values. 83,100 is equal to n is the time what we have to find, n into 2000 plus again p is 2000 into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into 10 by 100. Cancel 0 here and 1 here, and with 2 if we cancel this will be 100. Again with 4 if we cancel, 4 3s are 12 and 4 into 25 is 100. We will be getting this as 83,100 is equal to 2010 plus 25 n into n plus 1 by 3. Let's divide the entire expression by 25. When you divide 83100 by 25, this will be 3324 is equal to 2000 by 25 is 80, 80 n plus n into n plus 1 by 3. Now by taking the LCM, this will be 3324 is equal to 240n plus n square plus n divided by 3. By cross multiplying, we get this as 3324 into 3 is equal to n square plus 241n. So when you are rearranging the terms, this will be n square plus 241n minus 9972 is equal to 0. Here when you multiply this 3324 into 3, you get this as 9972, and since you are bringing this term to the other side, this will be minus 9972. So this is a quadratic equation. Now let's factorize this and find the values of n. 9972 divided by 3, this will be 3324. Again by 3, 1108 by 2, this will be 5 2s are 10, 5 5 4. Again by 2, this is 2 7 7. So these are the factors we are getting. Further factorization is not possible since 277 is a prime number. So the two numbers are 277 as well as 36. When you are splitting 241 into two terms, this is plus 277 and this is minus 36. So let's write this expression again. N square plus 277n minus 36n minus 9972 is equal to 0. So taking n common, n into n plus 277 minus 36 into n plus 277 is equal to 0. Here since we have taken minus 36 outside, this becomes plus. So n plus 277 into n minus 36 is equal to 0. By using zero product rule, n is equal to minus 277 or n is equal to 36. Here you cannot consider minus 277 since time cannot be negative. So n is equal to 36, that is n is equal to 36 months. That is same as 3 years. Now these questions are for you. You can solve it and let me know the answer. The first question is to find the interest earned per annum on an RD of ₹1000 per month for 1 year. The second one is Saji has an RD in a bank of ₹700 per month for 5 years. At the time of maturity, she gets ₹51,607.50. Find the rate of interest. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a different topic. Thank you.